What are simple machines? A simple machine is any device or tool that makes our work easier and faster. Types of simple machines. There are 6 kinds of simple machines. They are lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wedge, wheel and axle. Lever. It is a rigid rod which is free to rotate about a fixed point. Let's see the picture. Here, the fixed point around which the rod moves is called fulcrum. The object on which the work is to be done is called load, and the force applied to overcome load is called effort. Types of levers. Based on the positions of the fulcrum, load and the effort, levers have been classified into 3 types: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. First class lever. In a first class lever, the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort. Examples of class first levers: beam balance, seesaw, pair of scissors, pliers, claw hammer and hand pump. Second class lever. In a second class lever, the load lies between the fulcrum and the effort. Examples of class second lever: bar to lift load, wheelbarrow, kitchen knife and nut cracker. Third class lever. In a third class lever, the effort is between the load and the fulcrum. Examples of class third levers: sugar tongs, forceps, forearm holding a load and a bread knife. Sometimes it is not easy to lift the heavy objects with only human force. This problem can be solved with the help of pulley. Now, what is pulley? A pulley is a simple machine used to lift heavy objects. The pulley consists of a circular disc with a groove cut in its edge, over which a rope, chain or belt passes. At one end of the rope is the load and the other end is the effort. Types of pulleys. Pulleys are of 2 types: fixed pulley and movable pulley. Fixed pulley. In fixed pulley, the axle is fixed and the wheel moves at one fixed place, attached to a hook or wall. It is used for drawing water from a well and raising a flag to the top of a flagpole. Movable pulley. Movable pulley is used to lift heavy loads. It reduced the force to lift the heavy loads. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is a sloping surface that is higher at one end, over which objects can be pushed to a height. It helps to move heavy load with less effort. For example, ramps. Ramps are inclined planes which are used to move patients on wheelchairs or stretchers in hospitals. A wooden plank, flyover, mountain road, staircase are all examples of an inclined plane. Screw. A screw is like an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder or a cone, or wound around a nail. It looks like a nail with grooves made on the surface. One end of the screw is pointed, called the tip, and the other end is flattened, called the head. The windings on its surface are called threads, which acts like an inclined plane. The screw in a jack moves and takes the car up. A simple screw can lift a car. That's why a screw is called a simple machine. Screw, cork screw, jar lid, a bottle cap, nuts and bolts are some examples of screws. What is wedge? A wedge is a simple device with two inclined planes which meet at a sharp edge. Wedges are used for cutting or splitting an object with its sharp cutting edge. A nail, a fork, a knife, and an axe are some examples of wedges. Wheel and axle. When we have to move a real heavy load, we have to use a great force to push it. Wheel and axle solve this problem easily. What is wheel and axle? A wheel is a circular object which rotates about an axis called the axle. The wheel and axle together is a simple machine. They are fixed and move together. Steering wheel of a car, a sewing machine, a screwdriver, and a door knob are some examples of wheel and axle.